Hancock, the pirate empress, the most beautiful woman in the world, desired by all, yet her heart belongs to him. Rebecca, the radiant princess, her elegance unmatched. Shirahoshi, the mermaid princess, a beauty beyond mortal reach. VIVI, the noble princess, graceful and pure, women who could have anyone they desire. Yet their hearts beat for one man, a pirate. He doesn't care for love, admiration, or attention from women. The man who won the hearts of princesses without even trying. The future king of the pirates, Monkey D. Luffy.